Good morning. Yes, as you can see, I am all sweaty. Oh God, yes, very sweaty. Well, good morning, everyone, and I missed you too. I am sorry for missing you guys. I went on a run after 4 days. My work was like way too much, like way too much. As you all know, that I work in Singapore time zone, but presently I'm locked down in India, so I pretty much start my day with a 7 a.m. call, and we have a global team, so we have our team sitting in US, so I'm pretty much also ending up on calls late night. So yeah, it was important to balance. So I decided work is also important sometimes, you can't just ignore. So I just focused on doing yoga and meditation when and wherever possible in the last 4 days, but I did not run, and it feels so good, like so good. I just finished a 6.5k. My god, I'm red like an apple. Oh, I'm still wheezing. My breathing is really impaired. I think it's the season changing, and with the unlock happening in India, the pollution is increasing again, and it's taking a toll on me. My rashes are severe. Like, I've been another reason that I couldn't come online or probably just go running or do some kind of high intensity workout was I'm on a lot of antihistamine. The body has been very sensitive and crazy. Well, it is sensitive, but it has been a lot more crazy the past 2 weeks. But I'm very lucky. My peers, my colleagues, my boss, they are super sensitive. They are great people. They understand that, productivity matters and health is important. So I'm blessed to have that. So yeah, let's appreciate good things, small things in our life. It's Saturday. What is your plan, right? What is your plan? What is my plan? Yeah, my plan is to figure out some kind of furnitures. We need to order some furnitures, new ones. I need to desperately get rid of the old ones. So yeah, we are spending our day today, me and my siblings, on Pinterest, looking for good ideas. I am particularly in love with the bohemian decor. Hi Nana, good morning. Good morning from Sydney or Melbourne. Where are you? Well, so yeah, so Nana, do check out bohemian decor. So yeah, I'm looking at a couple of designs today, and I'm absolutely in love with boho decor. So that's what I'm planning for my next interiors, but let's see how that goes. Oh, Sydney it is. And it's raining here, like it's raining. So I'm waiting for good rains, I'm waiting for good vibes. And yeah, I also ate a lot of sugar last week. That's not proud, but I love it. I don't know. Yeah, I hope my 6.5k helped me get out of it. Also, very important message. I published my Warrior Pose 3 guided tutorial, step-by-step tutorial with the art of breathing, with the techniques and the benefits and the contraindications. Do watch it. If you haven't, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Bairagi Bong, and do watch it. Do watch it, please guys. I need your love to make this better. And there is one last variation of Veerbhadra Asana, or the warrior pose, that is the reverse warrior pose. Stay tuned, but please do watch my IGTV or my YouTube video for the last tutorial on Warrior Pose 3. On that note, it's a Saturday. Do something that you like, something that's for your soul, not for your pockets, not for your regular job. Do anything that you like. If you like to write, write. If you like to read, read. If you like to binge watch, man. Nobody's gonna judge you. It's Saturday. It's your day. Kill it. Bye-bye, guys. I love you guys. I'll stay in touch.